Hi everyone, today we are going to understand how courier booking, parcel booking works in our ready-made multi-service application GoPack. In the GoPack application, if you are buying Android combo, you are getting Android customer app, Android seller app, Android delivery boy app, admin panel and complete 1-year free technical support. For more, kindly contact your consultant or you can also drop a comment below so our team can help you. And yeah, let's get started. So now click on parcel delivery and now choose your package type. It is document or it is box or it is something else. So right now we are choosing box. Remember, all these package types can be created by admin. Now click on next and now choose your courier vendor. And now choose your pickup and drop location. You can also add a pickup and drop location by clicking on this new button and now click on next. And now enter the contact number of receiver and the sender. So if there is any query, the courier company, the courier delivery man can directly contact with them. And now enter the width, length, weight, height and more details. And these are all the details of your courier. Now click on next. And now if you have any coupon code, you can apply it over here to get additional discounts. And this is your complete order summary. And now choose your payment method. It is cash on delivery, Stripe, Paystack, Razorpay, Flutterwave, BillPlease, Wallet Balance, PayPal, Paytm, PayUmoney. The GoPack application supports all these payment gateways. You can enable the payment gateway according to your country and location. If you are an Indian, Paytm, PayUmoney, Razorpay will be good for you. If you are from out of India, you can contact your consultant so they can suggest you which payment method will. If you are from out of India, you can connect with your consultant by checking the description box or you can also comment below so our team can directly connect with you. So now let's open the Courier Partner application. This is the courier company application to receive the latest bookings of courier. So here you can see your latest order like this. You can see the complete courier detail and you can change the order status like this. And you can also assign particular driver to deliver this courier. Remember, in GoPack application we also have automatically order assigning. So whenever there is a new booking to a courier company, the nearby driver can also get automatic assigned. For more, you can contact your consultant or you can also drop a comment below so our team can help you. So now let's open the GoPack driver app and now the courier delivery boy get the notification of courier like this. He will click on this button and he will get started. He can see all the detail of the courier, the customer name, the drop address, name and number, and driver and vendor, address and number, everything he can see. He can also see the live location of the customer and then he can go ahead. And let's assume now that the courier boy has reached to the address and he will drop the courier to the customer address. And yeah, that's how a courier gets delivered in GoPack application. If you want to know more details, you can directly contact us by details available in description or you can also call or WhatsApp us the number showing on the screen or you can also visit Raunix. For more details, kindly watch all the videos and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.